Hello all! How's everything? Good? We hope so! Today we are going to learn Unit 6 Telling the Time Part 1. And we begin with a clock and pass. Remember, you see on your book English Active Factor Series Grade 4. Okay student, this is kinds of clock or watch. There are two kinds of clock or watch. First, analog clock. And the analog clock you can see at your house and also at your school on the wall. Next, digital clock. Look, where can you see the digital clock? Yes, maybe in your bedroom. Okay, this part we talk about longhand and shorthand. Look, it is an analog clock. And in the analog clock, you will see two hands. First, the long hand on a clock or watch tells the minute. You can see the blue one. Next, the short hand on a clock tells the hour, and you will see on the red one. Okay students, understand about the long hand and short hand? Okay, great. Okay, we go to the next part. You will see again the analog clock. There are two areas in the analog clock, pass and to. For the pass area, it is started from 12 until 6. You can see the red part in the picture. For two areas, it is started from 6 to 12. You can see the yellow area in the pictures.
If the long hand that shows the minutes moves from one number to another number, so it means 5 minutes. For example, the long hand moves from 12 to 1, so it means 5 minutes. Now, the added information AM and PM students. Still remember about this? AM or antemeridium, it is time before noon. And for PM, postmeridium, it's the time after noon. But this time, we only concern in the area of o'clock and pass only. Okay, so we focus only in this o'clock and pass area first. Next, we learn how to read the time, students. How can we read the time? First, mention the minute first. It means the long hand. Still remember? The long hand. And then second, follow with the hour, the short hand. Look at the example below. What time is it? First, look at the long hand. It is 10 past. Next, after we look for the long hand, we look the short hand. It points to 12. Yeah, so we say it is 10 past 12. Let's have some review about o'clock first, students. You already learned this on grade 2, I think. O'clock means when the long hand points to 12, right? And let's have some imaginations now. If the long hand is pointing to 12 and the short hand is pointing to number 5, so what the time? What is the time? It is 5 o'clock. Good job. Now, let's have some examples. Answer together with me. What is the time? Number 1. What's the time, student? Okay, it is 10 o'clock. Great. Second. Alright, can you tell me what time is it? Yes, it is 12 o'clock. Great job. Let's learn new thing this time. It's about half past. Half past means when the long hand of a clock points to 6. This is called a half past or half past. Look at the example and the picture below. What time is it? It is half past 8 or 8:30 for digital. Let's have an example this time. Let's answer together with Wistia students. What time is it? Okay, in analog please. It is half past 3. Great job. Now, let's talk it in digital time. It is 3:30. Look, they are different, aren't they? If it is analog, you will read the minute first, then the hour. You can see there. And then for digital, you will read exactly the same as it shows in the digital clock itself.
Okay students, after finishing about half past, we go to quarter past. When the long hand points to 3, we say it as quarter or a quarter past. You will see the examples of analog and digital clock here. What is the time? Yes, it is a quarter past 1 for analog clock and it is 1:15 for digital clock. Good students! Next, the examples of a quarter past. Can you read the time? Okay, for the analog one, you will see it's a quarter past 7. And imagine it is a digital clock, so you will read it is 7:15. Okay, after we discuss about a half past and a quarter past, we are going to learn more the other long hands in past area. Yes, we discussed about 5 past. When the long hand point to 1, we say it as 5 past. We see the examples of the watch here. Could you tell me the time? It is 5 past 7. Let's learn the examples of 5 past.
What time is it?
It is 5 past 6. Next example, look. How about if the long hand points to 2? Have you got the time?
It is 10 past 4.
Good. Okay, after we learn about 5 past and 10 past, we go to 20 past. Okay, for 20 past, when the long hand points to 4, we say it as 20 past. Look the examples of the watch. What is the time? It is 20 past 10. Next, we go to the examples about 20 past. Can you read this digital time to analog? Okay, it is 20 past 3. Good. Okay, we go to other examples of telling the time on past.
Miss Dani, have you got the time?
Okay, it is 10 past 4.
Miss Dani, could you tell me the time?
Wait, yes, it is 25 past 10. Can you read this digital time to analog?
It is 10 past 9.
Next part. Can you read this time to analog and digital? For analog, it is 20 past 1. For digital, it is 1:20.
Let's try a quarter past now. Can you read this time to analog and digital, students? Okay, come on, together with Miss Tia. If it is analog, we say it's a quarter past 5. How about the digital? It is 5:15. Great! Okay, students, so that's all about past and o'clock time. Next week, we are going to learn about 2. Are you ready? Great!
Okay, so thank you for watching our video and keep practicing at home. Stay healthy. Please remember subscribe and like our video.
Okay, Miss Annie.
Bye-bye.